There's oh my, this thing is alive. Hi guys, today I'm gonna chase sea trout in Fjord. It's a location in southeastern Norway. My plan for today is to cover certain points here. I will share the map with the locations. Actually, I think I'm just gonna show it here. This is the map. This is the map. So I'm gonna walk around and see. I have more time today, more hours to fish, but it's low tide, unfortunately. So fish is kind of naturally flowing away from the into deeper water. So yeah, let's see what we can get today. The water is very low today, so I'm not sure how far or how close the fish is. There is like a prey of swans. Also, it's a calm weather and it's almost no wind today. I have to say I love it. I'm gonna use, I still don't remember the name. Holy Grail. It's the fly that I got a small fish last time on, and yeah, just gonna cast a couple of times, and I'm thinking from here I'm gonna there, like, because there are some islands, and I can get sea trout here, and I also can get some flounders here. Last year I got a few. It's just actually very nice to see how they chase your fly from the bottom. So because the fly doesn't sink, my fly is like, or I use intermediate line, and my fly doesn't sink a lot, so it just maybe a bit, and then you see that guy coming from the depth, from the bottom, and just chasing it. It looks very nice in the water. So I see you on the spot then. There's lots of small fish or cray activity, and well, I don't know. That's art installation. The thing here in this place is the depth, the bottom. You see this one? This is clay, so you can sink a bit here. It's stuck in the mud. So be careful if you fish here. Because the water is so low, I think I can actually reach the locations I cannot reach normally. Look at this layer of seagrass, seaweed. Oh wow. Oh my. Maybe I can even reach that island. No, I cannot, because the bottom makes me sink here. It's eating my wader slowly. Yeah, so I cannot actually go further out of this place. So my plan is to reach that island and fish around it. Again, it's very low water today, so I don't remember ever seeing those stones there. So maybe I can actually walk more today. Walk around, see if I can spot any new places. And also it's so important that every time you go out, you need to remember the bottom, especially when the water is so low. You just, well, yeah, you can actually remember it, and next time you know how it looks like, to know where to cast. Like you see, I'm moving towards that island. Lol, look at here. Okay, so there was a golf ball. I didn't know that people play golf here. Maybe that's why I cannot find any fish. Interesting location for that. So I'm going towards the end of this island and I'm gonna cast a few times into different directions, and then I guess we can visit the next spot. I need my glasses. Okay, here I can cast really far. I see my fly, but I don't see fish at all, and that's a problem. See, there was a jump. I heard it from the back. Probably something big. Let me try, maybe I can get my luck. And honestly, that's the first time I hear fish today. Really first time. So okay, I got a bit of grass again, and I guess we just make a last cast after that and go to the next spot. Okay, I'm now going to the next spot. Because of such a low water, I didn't expect it to be so low. I think I'm gonna fish further out in the sea, so I will try to find the places with like closer to the open sea. Here, the open sea, we don't have it here. It's like out there. There's like an open sea behind that rock. So I need to find a closer place to the sea. Hope fish is staying there. There is a thing I just wanted to share. I think most of the glasses that I see, sunglasses I see in the local stores like Skidfiske, they have kind of amber pattern or even dark pattern, like they really like sunglasses. And look around. That's the weather. You have, I don't know, 80% of the time in the winter fishing in the sea. And I used to have one glasses that were just brighter. They had more yellow pattern that does not decrease. I forgot that term. To think it's just a percentage of light that gets through. And in those glasses, it was quite high, and I never felt like I'm getting tired of my eyes getting tired of, you know, too dark light around me when I wear those glasses. And the one that I got now from, I think it's Skyline, they're great, but they're just too dark for these conditions. So it's a kind of sharing my experience that, like, what's going on? Why this is the weather in Norway and you sell like regular sunglasses? I don't understand. Do you guys know your customers? Do you guys know the weather? Or yeah, I just don't get it. I mean, I think it's probably okay when you have different sunglasses for different. Okay, I need to turn back. It's okay when you have one pair of really dark sunglasses and one pair of yellow, like driving glasses, but I just can't find them in stock. And for me, it's rather hard to buy something online. If it doesn't match me, if it's too big or too small for my face, I don't get it, to be honest. So guys in stores, please refill your yellow sunglasses stock. I'm talking particular about fishing, yellow fishing glasses, or those that have UPV something. It's just, it should be more than, I think, 25%, more than 22-25%. Then I guess it's okay in this weather. Yep. Sorry, I don't want to be that grumpy guy, but it's just annoying. Okay. So, just want to show you something. So, if you look to the water, I don't know if you can spot activity. Well, that is the guy. It's a shrimp. It's a gray shrimp, or I think it's shrimp. Pretty much sure it's shrimp. Well, the thing is, if you see them, and it's okay, you can fish for the shrimp, or like shrimp fly. It of course depends on the weather, but that's the thing. If you see them, then it's not too cold yet, and then you still can fish with the shrimp pattern fly. Because I didn't like the way my line kind of, I didn't like the presentation of my line. I'm gonna use a piece of cloth, and I'm just gonna straighten it a bit. So then it's a bit more straight, and yeah, presentation improves a lot. So I'm gonna do that now before I go to the next spot.